Okay, Jacob Spinney, I'm going to respond to you first. Your position, I suppose, is that it is immoral to punish individuals for the self-destructive habits of others. That's what you said in your last video. Now, I wonder if you understand the very broad implications of what that means. Now, not only would that make it immoral and, I suppose, illegal under your system to tax and regulate drugs, alcohol, cigarettes, guns, but it would also make it illegal to do a number of other activities such as regulate traffic, have speed limits, and other social controls as well. I'm not sure that this is the point you were making. If it is, I think it's a weak point, as it's untenable, it's not practical, but it's quite bold, so credit for you if you are trying to make it. Also, I think it's off topic. We aren't punishing people for the self-destructive habits of others. We're punishing people for their own self-destructive habits. People that buy soda are the ones that are being self-destructive. We're not punishing their neighbors or friends. A tax, if you could consider that punishment, would only apply to the people purchasing soda, and in that case, their own self-destructive habits would be being regulated by the government. I think even under your code, this could be considered moral. Also, Mr. Brown, responds to you that by that same token, would it not also be immoral to require citizens to pay for the medical care required for people that now suffer from diseases such as diabetes and obesity due to their self-destructive habits? I'm not sure if he's making a serious point, but that is what insurance is. You don't get to discriminate how your insurance dollars are applied when other people benefit from them and you do not. If you're a healthy person and you have a healthy life, that's it. That's your advantage. The money that you paid for your insurance, which is required in most business places and walks of life, isn't an avoidable requirement, and you will end up paying for the health care of others whether you like it or not. Also, Mr. Spinney, you suggest that people will go to Mexico and have black market imports of soda that they can get on the cheap and run the risk of going to jail. This is a slightly farcical idea. The tax isn't going to jack up soda $20 a bottle. It's at the very most going to make each bottle of soda $3. Now, I don't know your financial situation, but this is it would drive anyone I know to the black market, and I also don't think the demand for soda is so great that its consumer base, or really any portion of it, would seek illicit means of obtaining it over the slightly higher charge of buying it in a store. I mean, a prohibitive tax doesn't make the thing illegal, and it doesn't make it impossible to afford. You also ignore my point on children completely, which is that the number one consumers of the soda, sugary, sweet beverages, whatever is being regulated, are children. And that's the number one problem, is that they drink it at a young age, become addicted, grow obese, and then in their later years wind up in the healthcare system and cost us lots of money. Now, do you suggest that we cannot, because it is immoral, regulate the substances children ingest? Or can we? And if we can, then why is soda any different from, say, drugs, alcohol, cigarettes, the numerous things that I presume you don't find objectionable for us to regulate at present? Things to consider. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.